another video. I am Shomik and you are watching Wolford Street. Today is a beautiful day and really exciting day for me. I am finally going back to mountains, my love, after 3 unsuccessful trips and 1.5 years of COVID nonsense. But finally, वो खत्म हो चुका है. I am fully vaccinated and everything is prepared. My bags are ready. Here is my gear bag containing my laptop, GoPro accessories and my DSLR with all the lenses. Here is my 80-liter rucksack and here is another duffel bag. That's the complete saman for this trip. We are ready to roll right now. We have a train from Howrah at 6 p.m. so I have booked an Uber for us. It's going to be here any minute. So I will catch you guys in the Uber and debrief about my complete tour. See ya. So guys, we are finally in the Uber and we are headed towards Howrah. And in this trip, my travel partner will be my mom. Say hi. So she is going to be my travel partner and we are going to North Bengal. So right now we have a train to New Jalpaiguri. From there we are going to head to Gorubathan, Lava and Jhalong. It's going to be a 4-day trip and you guys are going to see them in day 2, day 3 and day 4 of this vlog. For right now, let's fix on this journey from Kolkata to New Jalpaiguri. We have train around 6 p.m. and we are headed for that. If you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then go ahead and subscribe it. Until then, enjoy the cinematics of the road.
I hear thunder, I hear lightning, I hear wonders and everybody wanna go, but no one really cares to know. I see marvels, I see titans and some troubles that everybody has to face, that no one really can erase, and they hide away from me.
So guys, we are at Howrah finally and it's raining profoundly right here. Everything is messy and it's tough to carry like 12 kgs front and back. Just see my condition. This backpack is around 3 kg and the backpack is around 9 kgs. This rain is getting fast and everything is messy right now. Our train has been given. Platform number 8 is the platform where the train is going to come at around 5:30 p.m. So we are going to wait for 30 minutes and have some tea and thing. Oh, it's tough to carry like 12 kgs.
Nobody else got outside. Nobody else that on you are. Nobody else got outside. Nobody else.
So guys, the finally train is here and we have actually boarded the train, but inside light and fans are off, so we are just waiting outside till everything is on. Here is the lobby and they have just switched on the lights for the lobby. They are taking quite a time before they are actually switch on inside AC, fan, light. It's fucking hot inside, so we are just waiting outside. 40 minutes to go. So yeah, monsoon I am coming, mountains I am coming. Yeah. So guys, we are finally moving, you can see. It's 6 p.m. of 13th of August. Today is Friday and we have started for our destination, New Jalpaiguri, and we are moving right now. I will give you guys a tour of our little coop. Yeah, we have booked in second AC and this is our coop. That's my mom and we have got side upper and side lower. That's my favorite place in any train. I specifically booked it So catch you guys up ahead in the journey. I am going to like enjoy. You guys also enjoy the cinematics. Peace. तो गाइस इट्स डिनर टाइम. ट्रेन में लाइक टाइम बहुत जल्दी कट जाता है, समझ नहीं आता. एंड इट्स ऑलरेडी 9 PM. कंपार्टमेंट में सब कोई ऑलमोस्ट डिनर कर रहा है और हम लोग भी कर रहे हैं. तो वी गॉट लाइक cooked ourselves with wok boxes. I got rice noodles and chicken, and I got normal noodles and chicken for my mom. So अभी खाएंगे और फिर सो जाएंगे. ट्रेन में ज़्यादा कुछ करने को होता नहीं, सब जो 2 जन ट्रैवल कर रहे होते हैं. If you are coming with a group, it's always important to like have fun. Train journeys are really fun if it's with a group. So let's have dinner and then I will catch up with you guys. And it's around 10:30 PM and everyone is in the compartment. Is almost sleeping. Just check out. I'm going to sleep right now also. And since the COVID is like being going on, the AC compartments, Indian Railway doesn't provide any kind of blankets or any kind of pillows, so it's freaking cold over here. But I got my like cozy hoodie, so it's going to be helpful. I also got this hoodie in case of the need. I'm pretty much planning to end this vlog right now. That will be the end of day 1. Yeah, but one more thing, just comment down what is your favorite berth in a train. Like for me it is always the side upper or side lower. Like since the childhood I've always been fascinated by this side upper or side lower berth, where you don't have to adjust with anyone. You can get the time on the windows as much as you want. It's just completely yours or your family's. You just don't need to compromise the window seat. And this place is so perfect. I can just sit here, have food, read books. Yeah, this is actually I was planning to read when I get dozed off. Anyways, so like you can just read books, you can order anything. Like you can just see people go from here. It's the perfect place in a train according to me. Comment down which is your favorite berth in a train. Let's see how many of us got like common test. So I'm going to just end this video. That will be the end of day 1. Don't forget to like subscribe and share the content, and don't forget to join me in the day 2 of this vlog. Tomorrow we are reaching New Jalpaiguri. From there we are going to go to Gorubathan and then Lava. That will be the day 2. Stay tuned for that. Till then, good night. Peace.